So does this thing happen to you where you buy a pair of contact lenses and then you realize that it never shows up on your deeper, darker eyes? So if this happens to you really often, then this is going to be the perfect video for you. So hi y'all, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be trying and testing out a couple of products from Freshco contact lenses, and we're going to see how these show up on my eye. And my eye color is a natural black, and let's see how they work on Indian skin tone, and let's see whether it basically flatters and flaunts our skin tone. So on that note, let's get started ahead with today's video. So I have 5 pairs of Freshco contact lenses and we're going to be trying these out today. All the lenses that I'm going to be showing you today are yearly lenses from the date of opening the blister packet. Coming to the packaging, it comes in a cardboard packaging. It has all the details mentioned at the back, like the shade name, the diameter, the water content, everything, the power, everything. All of my lenses are at 0 power, so I do not use powered contact lenses, but they do make powered contact lenses. So if you have power and you still want to change the color of your eye, I think this would be a great option for you. So once you take them out of the lens packaging, you got to store them in a lens container. And the amazing part about this is that they basically color coded. So you have one for L and you have one for R, which makes it easy when you're on the go to kind of differentiate between which one goes to which eye. So moving on to how this feels and how this wears on your eye, I would definitely say that it is super thin and it's extremely soft. It does not have any rough edges. So, it really just sits on your eye beautifully and you just have to place it and it just kind of just gets stuck onto your eyes very, very easily. It isn't hard to remove. It isn't hard to apply, which is something I love. These are extremely comfortable and I'm wearing one of them and it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing it. So I would definitely say that it does not really make your eyes feel tired and nor does it give you a bit of a blurry vision. So even that doesn't happen. It doesn't burn, it doesn't itch, it doesn't sting. So I think this is a great one from my side. The longest I've worn these contact lenses without removing them and putting them again is for close to 8 hours, and I would say that it did not really make my eyes feel dry, which is something which happens pretty often with a lot of other contact lenses. So I would say that it does not really take too much of too much of the water from your eyes, which does not really dry your eyes, and it makes it very comfortable to wear even for a much more longer duration of time. So we do have a coupon code from Freshco contact lenses, which is DIVA30, which will give you a 30% off when you shop for these lenses on their website. I'm going to leave the name of the coupon as well as the links and all the colors, all the shades, whichever we use, down in the description bar below along with the links, so make sure you check it out. So I ordered lenses which have 2 different diameters, one which is 14 mm and the other one which is 14.2. So if you have smaller eyes, you can always take the ones with 14 mm so that it will sit a lot better on your eyes and it would look a lot more natural. So I would leave the sizes over here when I'm doing all the try-ons, and on that note, let's get started ahead with the try-on. So shade number 1, which I'm wearing right now, is 3-Con Grey, and I would definitely say that this one is super flattering. It looks very, very, very natural on the eye because of the 3 tones in it. It doesn't look like a flat out color, so it has a little bit of a lighter shade of brown towards the pupil, and it has a darker brown on the edges, and it has grey in the middle part of it. The grey isn't too light, it's more of a very graphite grey kind of a color, so that makes it look very natural. It suits Indian complexion beautifully, and also the pupil hole is a lot more smaller, so if you're looking for something like that, this is a perfect one to go in for. So lens number 2 is Real Olive, and I would definitely say that this is hands down my most favorite shade, and the colors are like more of this kind of like a very olivey green, which is going with a little bit of a darker green, and then there's a very tiny amount of yellow towards the pupil. So next up we have the shade 3-Con Hazel, and this one has a little bit of brown in it and it has grey and green, which is mixed together. The green isn't too strong or vibrant like the previous one, rather it's more subtle and it's kind of a forest green. The next shade is Hydrocker Word, and I would say that this is one of the most stunning green shades ever. This is super bright and it looks very intense. This is a very intense green, and if you're looking for something which can be really strong and very striking, I think you would love this one. Fifth shade is Hydrocker Icy Grey, and honestly, I would definitely tell you that this is one of the most daring lenses I've ever tried out. It is super light and it has this beautiful silvery color which is mixed along with it. So I would definitely recommend these contact contact lenses. They're extremely soft and they're extremely comfortable to wear. So I hope you love the review and the try on of the Freshco contact lenses, and I would definitely say that these are so comfortable to wear. These are so easy to handle, to work with, and they do not tear, they do not rip. I've been using them for around like 2 weeks, and I film on a day-to-day basis, so I use lenses on a day-to-day basis, and I sometimes switch between 2 to 3 lenses, and in spite of it, it did not dry out my eyes. It felt extremely comfortable. It does not make your eyes water. So make sure you try these lenses out and let me know down in the comment section below on what was your favorite shade. And until next time, bye.